What's cracking? Hopefully it's not your back. Now listen, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency or talk to others who are interested, joining a crypto Discord server can be fun and a helpful way to do it. So these servers are like, big chat rooms where people share ideas, they ask questions, they give advice about crypto. So which ones are the best? One of the best servers is CryptoTalk. This server is perfect for beginners because it has different channels where you basically learn about the basics of crypto. Okay? The members are friendly, always ready to help. You can ask questions, you can join discussions, you can learn from other people's experiences. All right? Now, second place for me now. Okay, another great server is called CoinTalk. Okay? CoinTalk. So it's a bit more advanced, still very welcoming. So if you want to dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies, this server offers an in-depth conversation Discord about different coins, trading strategies and market trends. All right, so for those who want to focus on specific coins, BitcoinTalk is a great choice. It's all about Bitcoin, so if you're interested in learning everything about this popular cryptocurrency, this is the place to be. There's what was I gonna say? These crypto Discord servers, they're great for learning, for sharing, and for getting updates inside the community. So whether you're a beginner, whether you're experienced, you're gonna find it very useful to be in them, and you're gonna meet other people who have similar interests as you. All right, so leave me a like, leave me a comment, because we get what we give.